Many players who want to summon friends or other players to join them and beat an area boss are facing a frustrating issue. It's the unable to summon cooperator error in Elden Ring, and if you are wondering how to fix it, here's everything you need to know. Method 1. Check server status. The first way to tackle the problem is to check for the server issues by heading to the official Twitter page. And if you found the server is under maintenance, then wait for the server to get restored. Method 2. Restart your system and game. This is a traditional method that solves various glitches and serves better gameplay. This method has its effect on the Elden Ring failed to join the session too. So hereby it is highly recommended to restart your device and the game. Method 3. Summoned by another gamer. Some suggest that you are unable to summon a co-op partner because they were immediately summoned by someone else. If you can't see summon signs, make sure to use a calling finger remedy. You may get this product when you make enormous kills during gameplay, or it can also be dropped by host of fingers while invasion. Also, you can make a purchase for this product from
Twin Maiden Huskson the Roundtable Hold. Patches on the Merkwater Cave. Merchant Callian the Church of Ella. Moreover, you can also make utilization of 2 Erd-leaf flowers for crafting this multiplayer product. Method 4. Check internet connection. That the main culprit causing such an error on your Elden Ring is your slow network connection. Therefore, without any second thought, check your internet connectivity. If your internet is stable and you are still facing this error, then you can use VPN as an alternative solution, although, the VPN protects the user information from the web server and also gives you a better internet speed. There are several VPN applications available on the internet, you can use one of them. I also recommend Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, because the Ethernet provides a stable connection, however the Wi-Fi might fail to provide a stable connection as Ethernet. Because if some of the mobile devices are connected with your Wi-Fi, then your internet speed might get unstable. On the other hand, if you use Ethernet, you will not face the unresponsive internet connection. If you have a slow or unstable connection, I also recommend try power off the device or system and networking equipment, like a Wi-Fi extender, router, etc. Now, unplug the power cables of the devices from their power sources and wait for 5 minutes. Then power on the router after plugging back its power cable, and once the router is properly powered on, power on the device or system after plugging back their power cables. And as the process is finished, check if you are able to join the session on Elden Ring or not. Method 5. Flushing your DNS. Press Windows key, then type CMD. Now open command prompt as an administrator. Next, give the command ipconfig, flush DNS on the CMD panel and hit enter. And wait until the CMD completes the operating command request. Once completed, a message reflects stating, Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Lastly, reboot your system and verify for the error. Method 6. Try switch to public DNS. If flushing then DNS won't work for you, then trying using the public DNS server might also work for you to fix the error on the game. Method 7. Determining proper network settings. Go to the Network tab from the System option. Then go to the in-game menu of Elden Ring. Click on the option System. After that, go to the Network tab again and set cross-region play as perform matchmaking. Then set the launch settings as play online. After making the above modifications and accepting a data agreement, this error might be fixed. Method 8. Verify integrity of game files. Damaged game files might also trouble you with this error. So, in this case, repairing the game's files by verifying the integrity of the game's file helps you to solve the missing or corrupted game's file that might be triggering the error in your case. Method 9. Wait for the availability of the update version. Lastly, if any of the above-mentioned fixes won't help you to solve the error, then wait for the updated version or latest game patches to release. The developers launched the updated version on their official Twitter website. You can simply visit the official mentioned website and download the updates from there if any are available.